If YouTube TV shows a black screen but the audio plays, it's usually caused by video output issues, app glitches, or device settings. Here's how to fix it step by step. Step 1. Restart the YouTube TV app. Fully close the app on your smart TV, Fire Stick, Roku, Apple TV, or mobile device, then open it again. This alone often restores video. Step 2. Restart your device. Turn off your TV or streaming device, wait 10 seconds, and turn it back on. A simple reboot clears temporary glitches that can cause black screen issues. Step 3. Check your video output settings. Make sure you are on the correct HDMI input and that your device's video resolution matches what your TV supports. Incorrect output settings can cause audio to play without video. Step 4. Turn off advanced audio or video options. Open your profile in YouTube TV, go to Settings, then open Video and Audio. Switch to stereo audio and standard video settings. Surround sound or advanced formats can cause the screen to go black on some devices. Step 5. Clear the app cache. On Android TV or Fire Stick, open Settings, then Apps, then select YouTube TV, then choose Clear Cache. On Roku, use the hidden cache reset by pressing Home 5 times, up once, rewind twice, and fast forward twice. On Apple TV or iPhone, delete and reinstall the app. Step 6. Update your app and device software. Install any available updates for both your device and the YouTube TV app. Outdated software is a common cause of video playback problems. After completing these steps, the black screen should be fixed, and YouTube TV should display video properly along with the audio. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more helpful YouTube TV guides.